bass hit your face, you be like. When the bass hit your face, you be like. When the bass hit your face, you be like.
3, 2, 1, action. Fuck! What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Jonah Daniel, and today we are going to film a Pepsi commercial. We are going to prepare the shot list, a quick shot list, something that we have in mind, something that we're going to improvise a little bit. After that, we're just going to jump into the action. Shot number 1, we're using the Sony A7SIII. We're using the Laowa 100mm. This is a macro lens. Then we are also using a diffuser with the Aputure 600D. Blue background, the Amaran 300C to lead the background, and then this whiteboard to create some reflection, as you can see in here. So here we can see how all the lights play. This is the diffuser with the aperture. Here's the Amaran 300C light in the background. And then here we have the reflection of the whiteboard. To spin the product, what we're going to use is a drill. I usually use a motion system that I have from Noxon, but I just broke it last week. So we have to find a solution, and we're using a drill. Okay, so the set is ready, but the product is not ready yet. And let me show you how we like to prepare the product for the shot. We're using this matte varnish, I think it's called. This is basically to apply a layer that basically removes the reflections, and it looks like it's out of the fridge, you know, and it starts to create the condensation. This is the first layer we're gonna apply, very gently, very soft, like so. We're going to wait for 2 minutes, and once the 2 minutes are done, we're going to apply this mixture that we prepare, 50% water and 50% glycerin, which we are going to apply once the first layer is dry, which should be now. So this is what we have right now. It looks much nicer. Okay, so I would say let's spin the product. We are filming this at 60 frames per second on S-Log3, white balance 5600, and in manual focus, of course, because this is a cine lens. It's not automatic, it's manual, and that's basically it. 4K 10-bit. Let's try. I don't like that spinning thing that it does. So let's change something. We're going to film it at 120 FPS this time. One more time. This time I'm going to try to be even slower. Okay, we have 2 more cans. Okay. Bro. Okay, let's get closer. Yeah, sexy. Shot number 2, we just moved the camera closer to the product with the macro lens, so we can get this nice branding logo highlight. And we're going to do the same technique. We're just going to spin the product again at 120 FPS. Let's see what we get. Very happy with this second shot, so we are going to move to the third one, which it was the pouring shot. All right, so we are in shot number 3. This is the pouring shot. The setup is pretty much the same, but this time we are going to shoot at 240 FPS. Also, something that I like to do is I like to empty the can up to here, more or less, so I have more control, and also when the liquid goes down, it goes out of the can with a little bit of more exciting way, you know? And yeah, so basically this shot is about to do a few tries. We're filming on manual. Fuck. No, it doesn't work, bro. It doesn't work, this one. I have to change the lights. It goes like this, it cannot go like this. So very easily. We're going to change the lights.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we have changed the lights already, the position of the lights, so we can do the pouring from this side, basically because the logo is on the left side of the can, so we cannot just do the pouring like this. Otherwise, you see all the ingredients and the back of the label, which you don't want to see or you don't want to show. So yeah, basically, as I said, this is about to give few tries. I have this on manual focus. I can see the red picking going into this position, so I know more or less where I have to drop the pouring, you know? It's going to be a little bit difficult. We'll have to do a few tries. Normally it takes me like from 5 to 10 tries, but let's see if we can do it on the first. All right. Okay, we have to stop. Oof. I mean, I could work with this one, but I think the can should be more in the middle, otherwise it's too on the side. But sometimes it can be good to place some sentences like drink Pepsi or refreshing or whatsoever. But what I don't like is the remaining Pepsi. You can see here, this Pepsi, this isn't real. It should be completely clean in a new opening, right? So let's try to do it one more time. Yeah, we have it. We have it. We have it. Okay guys, so we're here ready for the shot number 4. The shot where we do the pouring into the glass, where we see the top of the glass with ice and then the pouring comes like so. So this is what we have on set right now. We will see the pouring coming here, splashing in a slow motion, 240 FPS to be exact. And yes, for this one we use this ice. It's an ice that we do ourselves with Encapsule. It's a combination of 2 liquids. You have 2 parts. You have Encapsule A and Encapsule B. And with these ones, when you mix them and you leave it for 24 hours, you get something like this. It's like rubber. You can break it. You can do many things with it. And yes, this is the ice that we use in these situations in here. All right, guys, so let's try it out. We're still with the Laowa macro lens. This is the lighting setup that we have. The Aputure MC Pro on that side with the diffuser. Then we have the blue background with the Amaran 300C. We have put some protection on the Amaran because I don't want the Pepsi to splash in the Amaran. We're using also a very small light that I have here from Amaran. I think it's called Amaran MC or something like that. I really like to put it down. Underneath, we lit all the ice in the shot. All right, filming on f8 right now. For the pouring, I like to use this plastic cap, mostly from this side. It really creates a very nice drop, a very gentle drop. So yeah, we're just going to go for it. I hope this goes on the first try because otherwise we have to clean everything, all the glass, all the ice, and do it a second time. Fingers crossed. Shit. It wasn't good, I think. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna try a second time. Let's see what happens. Oh. Okay, let's make one more, and we are going to choose one of the 3 shots that we have here. And you guys will help me for this. So, cleaning. Okay, so fun fact. Nicola, that is filming, he's telling me that in Ukraine, they drink more Pepsi than Coca-Cola. I never heard that before, but yeah, they drink more Pepsi than Coca-Cola. Good to know. Okay, so take number 3. And last try, we are not going to do more than this one because I think we already have something good, but we're just aiming to have something even better. 3, 2, 1, action. Fuck! Oh,
Ah,
it's actually good.
yeah. You need to apologize.
I apologize, guys. This actually looks good. All right, guys, so this is shot number 5, where the liquid goes through the ice. We already did the pouring into the glass, so now we want the liquid to run through the ice. It's basically the same setup as before, but we just have taken the camera, put it closer. We have changed the angle to straight angle, not top down or whatsoever. And this is the look that we're getting. So basically, I'm just gonna fill up the plastic glass one more time with Pepsi, and I'm just gonna throw it. So I'm gonna try to make sure the Pepsi runs and then also fills up the glass. So we have to use pretty much a lot of Pepsi. All right, here we have the Pepsi. We have to switch off the lights. Nico, are we ready? Let's see what happens. Let's check. So this shot wasn't good, but we're gonna try to take profit of this and film these bubbles. And something that I like to do a lot is once we have the camera set pointing to the bubbles, you just take your hand and kick a little bit. So this is what happens.
Oh, it's looking great.
Okay, so this is called bonus shot, something that wasn't planned, wasn't on the shot list, but we just see it on the spot. We think it's a good idea to film it without changing too much of the setup. So that's why we took it, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it in post. And we want this to come from downstairs, so we're gonna just fill it up from here. I think so, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
A lot. Moving for the last shot, for the hero shot. Let's go for it. Okay, guys, here we are on the hero shot, on the last shot. This is the setup we have done until now. Something that I really like to use on the hero shots is a mirror, because you create these very nice reflections, as you can see here. You create these reflections of the glass, of the cans. We have treated the cans as previously with a layer of varnish, and then with some glycerin and water, we have created this condensation. We have chosen on the rocks glass because we think it's the one that fits the best. The initial idea was to use a bigger glass, but you know, I think the product is the one that has to call the attention, and with the bigger glass, everything was, you know, calling the attention. So we're gonna put a smaller glass. The cans calls more the attention, and yeah, the lighting setup is pretty easy. We have the light Amaran 300C facing the background to give us this nice gradient look. Then we have the Aputure 600D on that side, where with this diffuser, I have choose to put this black board on this side. So we create the shadow on the side and a very nice touch. So you just place it at the back, and then boom, you can see the silhouette. What's up, bro? The silhouette like so. The idea for this shot is to fill the glass and very quickly remove the hand so you can see all the foam going up of the glass. So this way we can create the relation with the previous shot and this shot. The previous shot where the glass is filling up, and then here you can see the foam going up, and we're going to zoom out a little bit on post-production. We could use a slider to create more motion. That's typically what I do, but we want to keep it simple without the slider because this way we can show you guys that you can make money, you can create commercials without the help of a slider. I think it's much easier to get a mirror than getting a slider. Let's try to fill up the glass, remove the hand very quick, film it. Let's try to make it last for 5 seconds at least, the hero shot. And yeah, that's the idea, so let's go for it. By the way, we're shooting this at 24 FPS, ISO 640. Let's just shoot it. We're filming. So from here. We're done, bro. We're done.
When the bass hit your face, you be like. When the bass hit your face, you be like.
When the bass hits your face, you be like.